Hi class, Professor Berry again. How are you doing? Hope you have survived the tornadoes, earthquakes, hurricanes, and I hear next week we are going to get locusts and frogs coming down from the sky. Anyway, I graded your first discussion. You should have those comments in your grade book. If you have trouble getting to them, let me know. But I think overall you did a really good job. I appreciated your engagement with each other. You did great, and you showed me that you learned from each other in the exchange of ideas, which is exactly what we want with those discussions. So keep that up, and good job with that. One note, just if you do quote a book or something, be sure to cite it at the bottom, just so we know where you got it. Your written assignment, I'm working on grading those. That always takes longer because I try to give you comments, especially this first one. I want to give you helpful comments. So just be patient with that. This week ends Module 1, so we're in the middle of Discussion 2. Saturday, the quiz is due. You can take it twice, and I'll average those scores if you do take it twice. Now, one note, some of the computer grades things very specifically. So there's a question that asks for a year, and if you just put the year with an apostrophe S, it'll count it wrong even if you got the numbers right. So, but don't worry about that. I go back and look at all the questions that are marked wrong and correct them if they need to be corrected. So don't fret if that happens. Now, team project. That is the big thing you need to be focused on now. You need to decide if you're going to work on a team project or if you're going to do the service learning with the alternative gift market. And if you want to talk to me about that, please give me a call. You have my number on the syllabus. But with the team project, basically what we're doing is a marketing project for an organization that is rebranding itself, Bay Community Support Services. There's information about them in the service learning folder under content. So look at there and see what you can learn and from that. So you need information about the client itself. But you have 4 options, and this is how we're going to set up the teams. The first option, one option that they would like is moving, so let's hope this works. One option is photos. Okay, they need a supply of photos that they can use for their website, for brochures or whatever. So that would involve going around actually taking digital photos of their clients, of their employees, and seeing them in action. So if you like photography, that might be a good one to do, and hopefully more than one of you can do that. Another thing they need is a PowerPoint. Okay, presentation. I'm trying to write neatly too. So just to present their work, something that they can share with people. So what you'll have to do is find out who their target market is, because the type of PowerPoint you would do for someone who's donating money would be a lot different than someone who you might want as a client. And so that's part of marketing, is learning who your client is and what their needs are and what their target market is. Option 3, they need a brochure. Okay, that explains about their supported employment, that they take people who have needs and help them get employment and keep them working. And then the 4th one is their coin canister. Did I spell that right? They have that out in places to get donations from people, and they want to redesign the promotional piece that goes with that. So choose whichever one of those you want, and send me an email, and that will be the team you'll be put on, and then we'll go from there. And if you don't want to do a team project, let me know this week by Wednesday, I think it's the 14th. What you want to do if you want to do that, because that's a whole nother thing and we'll have to talk about that. So hope your things go well for you. Good luck. Keep in touch. Let me know if you have questions. You take care.